But I really like barrels when they get to be 2 and 3 years old. And so Abbey Ridge and Clos Electrique and Arley's Leap all go into 2 to 4 year old barrels initially. That's where they go. And there may be a few 1 year old barrels in there as well. And then towards the end of summer, after I've bottled up the previous vintage, then those get racked to neutral barrels that are going to be 6 to 8 years old. And so now you have those barrels left over to use again on the new vintage. And then you have the new ones, you know, kind of coming down the pike. So you always have to buy some new barrels so that you have those 2, 3, and 4 year old barrels to choose from. Abbey Ridge hates new wood. Clos Electrique likes a little bit newer wood. And so, yeah, there definitely are things you find in time. Like you put Abbey Ridge into a newer 1 year old barrel and it's just going to show right through it. You're just going to see the wood. Because Abbey Ridge is about these real subtle high tones. Clos Electrique is more meaty, leathery, you know, funky type of tones to it, and so a little bit newer wood actually in some cases sometimes accentuates that. So where Abbey Ridge may be mostly 2, 3, and 4 year old barrels, Clos Electrique may be more 1, 2, and 3 year old barrels. You know, something along those lines.